Hello again, and this is my Movano. I'm converting from a crew van to a camper van. I found where the tools are stored, so there's a towing bar thing goes in towing eye, and there's a wheel nut wrench, and there is a long bar for releasing the spare wheel, but no jack, so I'm going to have to buy a jack. Now, in my previous video I just pointed out this LCD screen here, thinking that it was something to do with the climate, but actually it is a weighing display, a weight display. So underneath there's fancy gadgets on the axles, and it tells you the percentage of the maximum weight in the van, and then it tells you on the weight on maximum, a percentage of the maximum on each axle. So that could be quite useful, making sure that you're not overloading the van. And nothing else really to tell you at this moment, just lots more to think about. It's taken me 15 hours to get to this stage. That's 5 3-hour days, so that gives you an idea what you're letting yourself in for if you buy one of these crew vans. Well, thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and please do subscribe, because I'll be showing some more videos on this conversion. Cheers for now.